being here. Story music. Share. Copy natin. So I'll be putting this. Ay! Kaya minute pala to. Sorry, a minute. Cancel. Mukbang Friday. 2 days ago. Story, good afternoon. Welcome to the live stream Story Music. Thank you for the heart and the heart. I shared already every day. Let's see. I will type. Sorry, mag-add pa lang muna ako. I add tayo ng item. What? What? Welcome to the live stream Story. Naka 1 hour na ako. So, 3 o'clock every afternoon we'll be praying the 3 o'clock prayer. Mga 3:30 siguro. Mga 1.5 hours lang ako. 1.5 hours will be okay. Hope it will be fine now. Good afternoon to you. And there are links there for kindly check them out. Our super senders. Oh, wow. So this is Tespa. Where's Junyoung Min? Are you still here? Nagkatapusin ko muna to. Pasensya na. Bini Hamaybay, maraming salamat sa harang and everyone. Thank you for staying. Wait, I'll be visiting here pala. Sorry. Dito na lang ako akin. Habang naglalagay ako doon. Where's my live stream? Appear. High five! Sholihatan! Hello! Sholihatan, terima kasih. Apa kabar? Story music. Punta ko muna si Story. Kasi, you're fine. Good. Hindi ko na ano yung buhok ko. So, I need to ganyan-ganyan the hair. Ganyan-ganyan the hair. It's not so sunny today. The sun is not shining that brightly. That's why it's a bit like this. How about the weather in your place? How's the weather in your place? Emily, hello Sholihatan. Hello Sholihatan, sabi ni Emily, Mystery Tours. Yeah. Emily, wait, I'm going to type Emily. Ay, mali. I cannot type. I can't type here. Wow! I cannot type in here. Ay, gulay.